Hi guys, it's your boy Big Omo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about theory stocks that I am holding personally for the next 5 to 10 years. So I'm going to be sharing it with you guys here and why you should buy the stock now. And mind you, now is a very good time to buy stock now that the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 are actually selling. So it's at a very good point for you to buy. So yeah, so let's get into it. Before I get into this video, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment below on what you think is happening and what stock you are holding and will hold for the next 10 to 5 years. So let's get into it. So as you can see on my Nasdaq chart right now, you can see Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia is a very good stock right now. A lot of people are holding Nvidia, so you should too should hold Nvidia. So as you can see right now, you can see the daily charts. Right now is at $178. It's actually dropping to one maybe I don't know, but yeah is a very demand level. Is a demand level, so price could actually start buying back from here and. But this is not actually why you should be buying stock. Like it's not about even the chart or anything. So if you want to buy stock, these are the things you should be checking on any stock. So on Nvidia, you can see the chart is on the demand is on currently on demand level right now. So it's a very good point to buy. What you should be checking is the revenue and the earnings per share. So yeah, now you could see the revenue and the earnings per share, and the revenue are reported 3 months, 3 months. So every 3 months they report the revenue. So let's just we see 2024 March 2023 we see $6 million revenue every on March. Then 2024 $7 million, and then 2025 we are seeing $26 million. So that's crazy. That's a very crazy push up, and nobody knows what we're going to see next, maybe next year, next, couple of years later. So, and Nvidia is a very, very strong corporation in the US right now. So you should hold Nvidia. So we could see June, we see 30 million revenue, and earnings per share was 0.67 dollar. Earnings per share on March was $0.60. The earnings per share on September was $0.77, and the revenue was 35 million. Then December, they already calculated for December and it made 39 million. That's really crazy, man. And earnings per share was $0.90. So Nvidia is a very, very, very good and very strong stock for you to hold. And this is just the beginning. In fact, a lot of traders that I'm following out there, a lot of economists and macro traders are saying this is just the beginning for Navida. This is just the beginning. You understand? This is just the top notch. This is just the starting point. You understand? And for those of you that is listening to a lot of new noise out there, noise like Bitcoin crash, AI bubble. For me, I'm going to tell you that whenever there's a fear, whenever there's a recession, is for you to just buy the fear, buy the uncertainty. You understand? That's one thing about the market. There's never a time where you will be so certain. You understand? Back to the real life, there's never a time you'll be certain. You don't know what tomorrow's going to bring out. You clearly do not know what if you're going to wake up tomorrow. You only have plans for tomorrow, but you don't know if you will be awake for you to execute those plans tomorrow. So that's reality, and that's how it is. That's how it works here too. So you just have to you just have to buy the uncertainty plan, and if eventually you fail, it's okay. You understand? That's why you have to raise a very good portfolio, and always use a very good risk management and money management. So in case you fail in the future, you have something to bounce back to. You understand? So in case there's a very big reception that your portfolio cannot carry, then maybe your money management will save you. So that's just it about trading. There's not really big of a deal. So that's it for Navida. The next stock here is CEG, Constellation Energy Corporation. Now, CEG is one of also a very powerful company in US, and I've been looking into them for quite a while now. So I recently bought CEG. So if you don't have CEG, you also should. Let me go to the charts so you see where we are right now. So the same thing, we could see that CEG right now is currently selling at $338 and is currently at a demand level. So CEG can easily buy from here, and here is a very good level for you to buy also. So here is a very good level for you to buy. And CEG, mind you, already hits $400 at let's see. It's $400. It's $400 at how much was that? On October, yeah, October hit $400. So price could easily start buying from here back and maybe create new highs and all that. So who knows? But this is a very good time for you to buy ECG, and it's a very strong company. So let's go to the revenues and the earnings per share. So March 2023, we saw 7 million revenue on March, and the earnings per share was 0.29 dollar. 2024 we saw 6 million. The earnings per share 2.78 dollar. That's crazy. So 2025, and the revenue was 6.7 million, and the earnings per share was 0.38 dollar. So the dividend is just the same thing with the earnings per share. So the same June we had 6 million, and the earnings per share was $2.67. Dividend was 0.39. So September, the same thing, we have 6.5 million, and the earnings per share was $2.97. Same thing like that. You just see we have different months for different year, and the revenue are being recorded every three months. So every three months. So they haven't recorded December yet. So I think by the end of December or December 5th, I think the dividend for this Constellation Energy Corporation is December 5th. So they'll record the revenue. So you can see that the company is actually doing well. And if you also want to check the institutional holdings, also check institutional holdings. Yeah. I also check institutional holdings when the stocks are buy. So you can see that the holders now, this is what you should check: the holders and the people that have already sell their own shares. So you can see that the increased position was 1,017 holders, and the decreased position is just 616. So this shows that there's still orders in the market, and this is a very right time for you to buy. You understand? Head position 313, and total institutional share is 1,946. So don't this Constellation Energy Core is one of the very best stock you could buy right now. Yeah, so I'm holding CEG right now, and these are other people that also hold the company too. So you can see them: Vanguard Corporation, Capital International Investor, BlackRock, State Street, Fame LLC, Morgan Stanley, Crude Capital Management, JC Association, Coast Management, Norges Bank. So yeah, so these are people that are holding the same energy core. So it's a very good stock for you to buy. There's no way this stock is going to go down. So this is the last one. M-Tron Industries. M-Tron Industries, yeah. M-Tron Industries is also a very nice stock for you to buy right now. Currently the chart is not showing on Nasdaq. Maybe due to the company hasn't opened yet, or I don't know why, but the chart is currently not available on Nasdaq. Yeah, so okay, here we are. So here we are, we can see that price actually started buying already immediately as it hit this demand level at 44. Price started buying, now it's 48, and you can still buy. You can still buy M-Tron industry, you can still buy the stock market because it's still on a very low point for you to buy. And if you check this price, this market, it's about $70. What is that? About $70 last year, 2024. Price is about $70. So it's very possible that price could create another all-time high on M-Tron Industries. So this is a very good stock for you to buy also. So let's go to the revenue and the earnings per share. So as you can see here on the revenue and March, also the revenue is also recorded every 3 months. So we can see on March 2023, 9 million, 2024, 11 million, and 2025, 12 million. So we can see that the company is actually doing well. You understand? It's doing well yearly. It's doing well. 2023 it was 9 million, 2024 it was 11, now 2025 is 12 million. So it's actually doing well. And if you check continuously on the month, June it was 13 million and September it's 14 million. So they haven't recorded December yet. So September it was 14 million now, and the earnings per share was 0.60 dollar per earnings on September. June $0.53 per earnings on June, then March $0.56 per earnings on March. So the company is actually doing well, and we can check the institutional holdings. Institutional holdings. You can see that the increased position of holders is 50 and the decreased position is 28. So the company is still doing very well. The company is still doing very well. Head position is 15. Total institutional share is 93. So total ownership 48.68%. So the company is actually doing well. Company is actually doing well. Shares, you can, these are the information you need about a company. And what I'm seeing right now, the company is doing actually well. There are still people holding this these this company. So they still have a lot of investors. So they are doing well. So these are the very three major stock I think you should be holding, that I am holding personally. So I'm just here to share it with you guys. And I hope this video helps someone out there. And if it does, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also leave a comment below what you think about these stocks, and are you buying any of these stocks that I shared, or you're already holding it? So just let me know in the comment section. Peace, guys.